Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp25 Excel chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Variation Auto Sales. Basically this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction, you can see project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment, and you will be able to solve this assignment on your own. So please go through this project description. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project or steps to perform to complete this assignment. And we have a total of 21 steps to get this assignment done. In this video, I am not only going to solve the questions or steps, but I am going to make you learn the Excel as well. So if you want to learn the Excel or if you want to do this assignment, please watch this complete video and follow me step by step. So now let's move to step number 1 or question number 1 of the assignment, that is saying start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Variation Auto Sales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So this is the Excel workbook that we're going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this Excel workbook. I have already downloaded, and you can download this from your Pearson dashboard. So now let's move to step number 2, because step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of the Excel workbook. Step number 2 of the assignment is saying convert the data in range A1 up to F104 on the fleet information worksheet to a table. Name the table inventory and apply gold table style medium 19. So in step number 2, we are supposed to convert the data given in the worksheet fleet information into a table. Then we are supposed to give a name to the table, then we are supposed to apply a style to the table. So to do so, we will go to the worksheet. This is the fleet information sheet. Click anywhere in the data, then go to insert tab and click table. So you will make sure that range A1 up to F104 is selected as mentioned in the instruction, A1 up to F104. Now click OK. So now you can see that we have converted the data into a table. Now we are supposed to give a name to the table. So again click anywhere into the table, go to table design, and here you can see the table name. This is the automatic name, so remove this name and type inventory here, because we are supposed to give the name inventory to this table. So we will type inventory and press enter. So we have changed the table name to inventory. So now we are supposed to change the table style, and we are supposed to apply gold table style medium 19. Click anywhere into the table, go to table design, click the arrow so that we can see the different style, and we are supposed to apply gold table style medium 19. So this is gold table style medium 19, and this is the style that we are supposed to use. So we will select this gold table style medium 19. Okay. Now Next thing to do is step number 3. And step number 3 of the assignment is saying remove duplicate records. Okay, so now we are supposed to remove the duplicate records from the table, and that we can do by going into the table, click anywhere into the table, again go to table design, and here you can see remove duplicates. Click this option and you will make sure that these all column should be selected. So check all the boxes because we are going to remove the duplicate records from whole worksheet or whole of the table. So check all the boxes for the column and click OK. So this is telling us 3 duplicate values found and removed. So we got 3 duplicate values and we have removed that. Okay. So that is all about step number 3. And now we're going to do next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 of the assignment is saying sort the table by make in alphabetical order. So now we are supposed to sort the table by make in field, okay, in alphabetical order. Then we are supposed to add a second level sort by year, and this should be smallest to largest. And then a third level to sort by sticker price, smallest to largest. So now in step number 4, we are supposed to sort this table by 3 levels. First is by make in, second one is by year, and third one is by sticker price. So we will go to the table, click anywhere into the table, go to home tab, and in editing section you can see this symbol. Click that and click custom sort. So first we are supposed to sort the table in alphabetical order by make in field. So here we will select make field, okay, make field, and this order should be in alphabetical order, so we will select A to Z. So now we are supposed to add a new level for sorting, so we will click add level, okay. Now we are supposed to sort the table by year from in smallest to largest, okay. So we will select year now and we will select smallest to largest, okay. Here we are supposed to select smallest to largest because now we are sorting the table by year in smallest to largest, okay. Now we will add a third level, and third level we are supposed to sort by sticker price, smallest to largest. So we will select sticker price now, and here we will select smallest to largest and click OK. So now we have sorted the table by 3 levels. First by make, second by year, and third by sticker price, okay. That is all about step number 4, where we were supposed to sort the table. So I have sorted the table, okay. Now we're going to do next step of the assignment, and that is step number 5, and that is saying set the field names to repeat on all pages when printed. So these are the field names, okay, and we are supposed to set the field names to repeat on all pages when printed. So go to page layout and click print titles. So we are supposed to repeat row 1. So we will select rows to repeat. At top we will select row 1. So just click here and select row 1. There is none of the column that we are supposed to repeat, so we will leave it empty and click OK. So when we scroll the worksheet down, you can see that the field names are appearing there. That means we are repeating column labels on all of the pages. Let me show you in print view. Click here and click print, okay. Now you can see that when we scroll to second page, labels are there. When we scroll to third page, labels are there. That means we are repeating the labels on all pages, okay. So that is all about step number 5, and we have completed 5 steps, and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 of the assignment is saying change page break so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. So now you can see that there are different vehicle make like BMW, Chevy, Ford, Honda, Toyota. Okay, so we are supposed to change the page breaks, so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. So we will insert page break now. Like BMW is ending here on row 34, go to page layout, go to breaks and click insert page break. So now you can see a horizontal line showing the page breaks. Now you can see that BMW will be printed on a separate page. Like Chevy is ending here on row 46. Again go to page layout and go to page breaks and click insert page break. Now you can see another horizontal line. That means we have added another page break and Chevy will be printed on a separate page. Similarly Ford is ending at row 69. Okay, go to breaks and click insert page break. Okay, so now Ford will be printed on a separate page. Okay, now Honda is ending at row 90. Okay, and go to page layout, go to breaks and click insert page break. Okay, now you can see that Honda will be printed on a separate page. So we were supposed to change the breaks of page so that each vehicle made should be printed on a separate page. So we added different page breaks, like BMW will be added on a separate page, Chevy will be printed on a separate page, then Ford will be printed on a separate page, and similarly Honda and Toyota will be printed on a separate page. And that is all about step number 6. So we are done with step number 6 as well. Now let's do step number 7 of the assignment, and step number 7 of the assignment is saying freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. So now we are supposed to freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. So this is the fleet information worksheet and we are supposed to freeze the first row. That means when we scroll the worksheet down or when we go off screen, the first row should not disappear. So now you can see that when we are going off screen, first row is disappearing. So we are supposed to make the first row static. So to do so, just go to view tab and go to window section, and here you can see freeze panes and click freeze top row. So now you can see a horizontal line after row 1. That means we have frozen the first row. So now when we scroll the worksheet down, the first row will not disappear like this. Okay, because we have frozen the first row. So that is all about step number 6, where we were supposed to freeze the first row. So I have frozen the first row by going into the freeze pane and clicking by freeze top row. Okay, so now let's do next step, that is step number 8. And step number 8 is saying add a footer with your name on left side, the sheet name code in the center, and the file name code on the right side. So we are supposed to add a footer into the worksheet by adding name on left side, sheet name in the center, and file name at the right side. So that we can do easily by going to page layout, go to page layout, go to margins and click custom margins. Here you can see header and footer section and click custom footer, because we are supposed to add a footer into the worksheet. So on left section we are supposed to add the name. So I will type ABC for the name, and in center we are supposed to show the sheet name, and this option is for the sheet name, that is insert sheet name. So click that option, and at right side you can use the insert file name. So when we are supposed to add a footer showing name on left side, sheet name in the center, and file name at the right side. Click OK. This will give you a preview like name on left side, sheet name that is keys spark that is in the center, and file name sheet name is fleet information, and the file name is the key spark. Okay, click OK. So we have added a footer into the worksheet according to the instruction given in step number 8. Now we're going to do next step of the assignment, that is step number 9, and that is saying click or navigate to sales information worksheet and convert the data to a table. So now we are supposed to go to the sales information worksheet and we are supposed to convert the data into a table. Then we are supposed to give a name to the table, and then we are supposed to apply a style to the table. Okay, so we will go to sales information worksheet. So this is the sales information worksheet, and we are supposed to convert all of this data into a table. So you will click anywhere into this table data and click insert tab. Here you can see an option for the table. Click that and click OK. So now you can see that we have converted all of the data into a table. Okay, now we are supposed to give a name to this table, that is sales. Okay, so again click anywhere into the table and give the name sales. Click anywhere into the table, go to tables design, and here you can see the table name. Remove this and type new name, that is sales. After typing the name, just press enter. Okay, so we are giving a name to the table sales. So now next thing is we are supposed to apply green table style dark 11. So click anywhere into the table and go to table design and go scroll this, and we are supposed to apply green table style dark 11. Okay, this is green table style dark 11. This is the table style that we are supposed to use. So click OK. So we have converted the data into a table, then we have given a name sales to this table, then we have changed the table style to green table style dark 11. And that is all about step number 9. Okay, now step number 10 is type percentage of sticker in cell E1. So go to cell E1, type percentage of sticker and press enter. So that means we have added a new column into the table, that is percentage of sticker. So in this video I have solved 10 steps for you out of 20 steps. That means I have solved half of the assignment for you. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all of your Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another powerful solution. Thank you so much again.